What's in the mystery box? Hello and welcome. I'm Akram Birth, and you're watching Akram's Ideas, bringing creative and crazy ideas to life. If you're wondering, looking at me today, no, I did not cut my hair. I'm actually in costume as my sort of pin-up Snow White. I am going to be working this weekend at the Tokyo in Tulsa anime convention / Comic-Con event where our university has a booth, and so I'll be manning the booth all weekend long with some student volunteers, and I am dressed up to head over there right after I film this video. Now, as far as this video goes, I have a mystery box to share with you. It's been a very busy last 2 weeks at the school, and then prepping for this event that we have the booth out at and everything. So I haven't been doing a whole lot of sewing, but I've been doing some prepping. But I actually won an Instagram contest. Like, I can't believe it, I won. So Claire from Penguin and Pear held an Instagram contest. I believe it was Instagram. I'm pretty sure it was Instagram. Where you were supposed to comment and then you could win a prize pack. And I didn't even remember that it was a contest. I just commented in the comments and I ended up winning. So it was a happy surprise. But the prize itself was a box of Notion goodies or sewing goodies from Minervacrafts, and it came in the mail the other day. So I have not opened it, and I'm gonna share the contents with you real quick. So I've got some scissors here. Let's see if I can get this open. Super excited. I think I've only ever won 2 social media contests ever. I won a hat once, way back, I think it was even before Instagram. I think it was a Facebook contest. So this is it. To see more episodes like this, be sure to click the like button, subscribe to Akram's Ideas, and hit the bell icon to get notified of new episodes. It's definitely, the package said sewing box, so I'm going to assume it's some sort of sewing box. It is so pretty. I can barely tell what it looks like. Here we go. Oh! Look at it! So this is a sewing box. Storage with style, crafts and hobby storage. And so we're going to open it up. Ooh! And it has a little thing from Minervacrafts, and it says front with compliments from Minervacrafts. Oh, I'm so excited! It's got stuff inside me. Okay, so it's got a little plastic tray that sits inside here. Let's see, what do we got? Eyelets! I needed eyelets. Here are the eyelets, if you can see. So I got eyelets. Some gold fastening snaps. Those are really pretty. Oh, and the tool for pressing snaps. OMG! I got some heavy duty snaps for like a coat, and then the little tool set for it. These all come from Hemline, what's it called? Hemline Groves. I guess it's like the UK brand of like grits or something. Oh, I got some rectangular rings for purse making. You can see those. Oh, another nice little swivel clip. I've got a necessary clutch wallet that I'm planning on making. This might be fun to put on it. Oh, cord toggles for when you've got like the drawstring hem and everything. And then I've got some interesting decorative thread. So I've got some in this aqua color. I've got some in this sort of more tealy color. This gold color thread. Is it for embroidering? It says washable, non-tarnishable decorative thread. Can you use this stuff in a sewing machine, or does it have to be used by hand? If anybody knows, let me know. It's by Stancraft Glitter Decorative Washable Thread. So here's a red one, and this one's actually a different brand. This is a Lintex Gold Rush, but it's a blue one, and then this little silver one. And I got this adorable little set of soccer ball buttons. Now this is gonna sound really funny because, well, this is really cute and all. I kind of really like the container that they come in. I love packaging, and if things come in really nice packaging, I often keep the packaging to reuse for other things. So this is actually some really nice packaging, but it's also a really cute little soccer ball pin. And then lastly, I got some hat elastic for millinery. Traditional narrow elastic used in millinery and bridal wear. So it's super thin style elastic. Oh, this is so exciting. I am excited. This was really nice. Again, I am super thrilled that I won the competition. Not that there was much to do except comment. I think my favorite part of this whole thing, other than the box is like totally useful. I'm going to totally use this box. But I think the heavy duty snaps, these are getting used. I've got some like overcoat projects that would be good for these. Oh, and I've got some jean jackets that I've been wanting to make like forever, and these brass snaps would be perfect. So thank you again from Minervacrafts, and of course Claire from Penguin and Pear for holding the competition. I'm really happy with my giveaway prize. So that was just a quick video unboxing my little prize pack today. Hopefully next week I'll have edited those sewing videos that I have for you. I've got like 2 videos that I've already recorded, but I just haven't had a chance to edit them. So hopefully next week that one will be going out, and then the following week I've got a project, that collab project that I'll be sharing hopefully. So with that said, I hope you guys have a happy Sunday or a happy week, whatever day of the week you're watching this video on. If you have any ideas or comments about anything in the prize pack, like the glitter thread, can I use that in a sewing machine? Is it only used for hand sewing? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Akram's Ideas, and thanks for watching.
I'm so excited! I think this is super nice packaging. Look at that! Look at that! That's super cool, I love it. And crazy ideas to life. So, let me start over.